So this is the way we can test our ledger. Okay. For that, we need to add the roles. So you can see here we have roles. So for the implementation process, we have three roles. Okay. So employee roles given, IT security manager role given, and application implementation consultant roles is provided. For the GL level, again we have three important roles. Okay, general accountant, general accounting manager, and a financial analyst. These three roles are very important to work on general ledger. Now go to application and go to tools to assign the roles to your user. Navigation, go to navigation level. You can see tools, security console. Okay, click on users. Search for your user and Mahesh user. So edit. You can see here only three roles are there. Click on add role. So we need a general accountant. Search for general accountant. So there are so many general accountant roles are there. These are all customized roles. Okay. So these are our customized roles. We are looking for the original one. This is the one. You can see two different general accountant. One ORA, other one is without ORA. You can select anything. Okay, first select one and should not select any copy related end. So select original one and add role membership. And again, next role is general accounting manager. Select general accounting manager or add role membership. So once it is done, then you can go for financial analyst. Again, same. You can select the original one instead of other duplicated. Add role membership, done. So we added three roles successfully: general accountant, general accounting manager, financial analyst. Save and close. For Mahesh user, we have added three roles for GL access. Click on done button. And now go to home page. Now we have add the data access for users. So we have to provide the data access for your user. Go to task, setup and maintenance, manage access for users. Okay, you can see users and security level. You can see manage data access for users. Click on here. Click on plus button to add the data access for your user. Search for Mahesh name as your username. Role, you can click on drop down list. You can see the required roles. So we are looking for general accountant and general accounting manager and financial analyst. These are the three roles. We don't need to provide the data access for this application like implementation rules. So first select the general accountant, then you can select the data access set. Search for Sony primary ledger. So Sony one primary ledger. You can click on plus button or you can click on duplicate button. Okay. So what you can do is you can modify this duplicated. So general accountant has been given. Now we can select the general accounting manager and select the data access and select the same primary ledger. And also financial analyst. Select the financial analyst. Select the data set access and primary ledger. So we have created roles for the Mahesh user and provide the data access for the same roles, whatever we added at a tools level. Okay. For the primary ledger, we have given the access. Save and close. Done. Once the access is given, go to initial users. There is a synchronization process. Click on run user and rules synchronization process. So now this job will sync the rules and data access for your user, whatever we submitted. Just submit it. Okay. Now you can refresh it, or what you can do is you can relog in. So now we can see here there is no general accounting. Yeah, general accounting is there. Now but it's not opening. If you try to open, it is not opening. Okay. So for that, what you have to do is just relog in it. Just go to sign out. So backend job will be run. Backend job will be run as a schedule process. We can go and verify how it is going. So we run the let's refresh it. This is the LDAP job. Seems it was blocked. Once it is run, then you can able to DAP. Seems it is blocked because there are many uh, jobs are pending. So you can see there are many jobs are waiting. So that's why it is in block. Still it is blocked. It should be processed and then only we can replace. Okay. It will happen in very few cases. Generally, it should work. Okay. Now go to setup and maintenance. There you can open the period. First period you have to open. Okay. So you can search for this open first period. Okay. Go to general ledger. Here in the functional area, you can go to general ledger. You can see open first period. Select the primary ledger. Search for Sony primary ledger and save and close. So this is January 24, the first period. And okay. So ledger for first period. So you can open the first period. Later you can open other periods. So click on submit button. Okay. So backend job will be run. Tools. schedule process. Okay, open period is running. Done. But not sure. Okay, just relogged into the application. Okay, here you can go. So we have already opened the first period. Okay, so we have already opened the first period. Now we have to open the current period to test the enterprise structure. Now go to period close. So in a general accounting level, we have a period close. So you can see here, there is a period, general ledger period. Click on here. Now you can see never open status. Okay, now can go to actions. Here you can see January 2024 period is open. Now we are in April 2025. You have to open the current period. Go to actions. Here you can see open target period. Okay. Select your current period, April 2025. Click on open. Yes. So there you can see your dataset access is your primary ledger. You can see this primary ledger. So how it is accessing, like we have to uh, give the data access for your user. So first you have to created user. Okay, and the user have given the GL roles, saying that these are the 3 roles given to user. Okay, general accountant, general accounting manager, and financial analyst. After this given roles, we just given the data access for the users. Okay, so data access means primary ledger level, like primary for general accountant, general accounting manager, and financial analyst. So for 3 roles, we have given the data access. Now the user is able to log in and access general accounting, and general accounting level, he can able to see the ledger set as a primary ledger. So just refresh here, the period will be opened. So current we are in April month, the period is, the status is open status. So actually there are 5 type of statuses, period statuses. This is open status, this is closed status, permanently closed, and a future enterable. So if you want to create some journal entries, if you want to create some data in GL, then period should be open status. If the status is closed or future enterable, you can enter the data, but you cannot post it. Okay. So make sure before entering any data in GL, the period should be open like this. Okay. Go to home page. Now, so this is a general accounting dashboard. You can see here, this is a general accounting application. Like here we have 3 workbenches. One is a general accounting dashboard, one is generalist, and a period close. So if you want to open the periods, if you want to close the periods, if you want to run the month end reports, you can go to period close tab. And this is a journal entries. Here you can create journal entries and view the journal entries. So that topic, like regarding journals and GL functionalities, we will learn in a GL module level. So since we are configuring enterprise structure, I am just about to verify the enterprise structure. Just go to journals, and here task panel level, we can see create journal. Click on create journal. Now, so you can see the current period and primary ledger, date, and just select any category. So here you can see accounting combinations. So I am just about to enter the one expense account, select the company, and cost center account, nothing but telephone charges. I'm about to enter the telephone charges. Okay, just click on OK button. So let's give $1,000. And the credit level also you can give the same, but expense account data to cash account, right? I can give the cash account in a account level. So this is end user activity and it's not our activity. Okay. So since end user is a financial specialist and a financial, uh, working daily financial working, right? So he can do the financial activities, but as a functional consultant, so better to have a knowledge on that, how they are working on that. Okay. So here I just given the cash account, done. So generally in financials accounting terminologies, so if something like a expenses account for expenses, journal entry is expense account data to cash account. Expenses will be debited and cash account will be credited. Here you can see expense telephone charges expenses debited and cash account nothing but a bank account is credited. Okay, just save it and complete it. Now we can see status is completed and unposted. Now we can cancel it. If you want to view the journal entry, go to manage journals, give the period parameter touched. So this is a journal entry we created. Currently status is unposted. If you want to post it, so you can see the status is unposted. Just post it. So if you are able to post a journal entry, then your enterprise structure is working as expected, like it is working correctly. Okay. Now I can see status as a different status we have processing. So you can see here the statuses unposted, select for posting processes and processing and posted. Now we can see this is posted. If the journal entry is able to post it, then our enterprise structure is working as expected. Right? Thank you. Then remaining activities we can discuss in a next session. Okay. So business unit and we have other functionality like a multiple primary ledger. How we can create a multiple primary ledger? What is the different scenarios? Okay. Right. Thank you.